Hello students, I am Snigdha Verma and today I am going to teach you lesson number 9 of Honeycomb, a bicycle in good repair. A bicycle is a common man's right. It has almost become his necessity. It should be in good condition for the long bicycle ride. A man whom the narrator knew once proposed him to go on a long bicycle ride, to which the narrator agreed. Next morning, the man arrived late and started examining the narrator's bicycle. He shook it violently and then commented that the front wheel wobbled. He asked for a hammer. When the narrator returned from the tool shed with the hammer, he found the man holding the front wheel between his legs, and the rest of the machine was lying on the gravel path. The man then turned his attention towards the bearing. He said that he should unscrew the bearings. He paid no heed to the narrator's protest. He unscrewed the bearings and many little balls rolled all over the path. The narrator and his friends crawled on the ground and found only 16 little balls. The narrator put them in his hat. In the second part, then he said that he would see the chain. The chain of the cycle also received special treatment. First he tightened it too much that it would not move, and then he loosened it till it was twice as loose as it was before. Then the man claimed that nothing was easier than fixing the gear case. But what happened was completely opposite of what he had claimed. He had the gear case lying in two pieces on the path. He lost all the screws. He collected some from the ground and then gave up looking for the rest. Then the narrator and the man started refixing the front wheel, and with the great difficulty they put the wheel back into its place. But soon the man realized that he had forgotten to put the balls. The narrator laughed and commented that they must put back all they have found. When they put all it back, the bicycle began to wobble, even more than it had wobbled before. A rough fight took place between the man and the machine when he set to refix the gear case. One moment the cycle was on the gravel ground and the man was on top of it, and the next moment he was on the gravel path with the bicycle on him. At quarter to one, the man left the job saying that he would do it later. At the end, both the man and the bicycle looked dirty and wounded. No one could say which one of them had received more punishment. So student, this is in this chapter. The word meaning and the question answer you will get in PDF. Have a nice day. Thank you.